Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Delia from Delia's Place. I am wearing a wig. Yes, that's right, this is a wig. If you'd like to see how I slayed her, then continue to watch this video. So today I'm going to show you how I slay my wigs, or how I make my wigs look more natural. So today I'm using the Outre pre-cut lace wig. This is what she looks like. I just bought this at my local beauty supply store, so I'm gonna show you how exactly she looks coming out of the pack. She has this lace thing around her to protect her. So I'm just gonna take that off. There she is. She's so soft though. Cut this off. She's so soft. There she is. So she comes with two combs at the back and at the front. But she also has two combs. And there's also an adjustable strap at the back if you'd like to have her feel her tighter. There's an adjustable strap at the back. And as you can see, the lace is already cut. It's pre-cut. See? There's her texture. She's nice and curly straight out of the pack. There she is. Once again, she has two combs at the back and the adjustable strap right here. And at the front, two combs as well at the front. And the lace is already cut. That's all I do before putting her on is catch my hair in a low ponytail, right, so I don't have any bumps. And then I just slide her on my head. I've already adjusted it. Alright, this is what she looks like when I just put her on. Show you the back. Alright, so all I do now is I take my trusty tail comb.
Creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire. Yeah.
And there you have it, guys. This is how I slay my wigs and make them look natural. I used to hate wigs. I used to hate how they look, but now I have found some quick, easy ways to slay my wigs, to make them look even more natural, or even to look like just a weave without having that wiggy look. And if you like this video, go ahead and click that subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for the love. Go ahead and like this video to show me that you like watching these videos, and that will keep me going. Share this video with your friends, family and neighbors. Until next time, bye.